What's up? My name is Allison Smith from the Edgewood Boys and Girls Club. I've been a member here for 5 years now. I came to the club because I knew no one in my area. Now, since I've been with the club, anywhere I go in Harford County, I can see someone I know. Well, I participated in STEM and Smart Girls and some random activities through the Boys and Girls Club. But throughout all those, it showed me not to be so shy and to be backing away from a challenge. It helped me become an extrovert, overly expressive person, as some might call me. Well, throughout the whole entire experience of STEM, I got to make a book called Hurricane Rise to the Flood. What we did was we looked up different types of hurricanes that have happened throughout times, like Hurricane Sandy and Katrina. So we had to go to the Conowingo Dam, learn about dams and what would happen if it were to break, and what would happen if it doesn't. And throughout that experience, we got to bond more as a team and create this book together. Well, the Boys and Girls Club changed my life forever. Without it, I wouldn't be going to the school I'm going to now, Harford Tech, wouldn't be anywhere I am today. So, Boys and Girls was really awesome. Boys and Girls Club, great future, start here.